Hey guys, so today I'm actually going to a TikTok event in New York City. I cannot believe this. This is insane. And I'm just very quickly going to show you guys how I do my hair for this event. I'm going to use my GHD Chronos, by the way. Lately, I have been really into big, voluminous, curly hair. Kind of like the 1 inch, 1.25 inch curls. And these are the curls that really last me the whole day. So let's get right into it because I literally have like 10 minutes to do my hair. And I hate to be like one of those like dramatic, you know, content creators that are always like, I literally have like 10 minutes to get ready. Let's do this very quickly. But today, that is me, okay? So anyways, so this is day 2 hair. I did my hair yesterday. I'm gonna use the hot toddy from Drybar. This is a heat protectant, and I'm just adding that to all my hair. By the way, how cute is this robe from Victoria's Secret? And do you guys like this new setup that I have? I want to put some floating shelves maybe, so I might switch it up. Just adding this to all my hair. It smells amazing and it protects my hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm just gonna divide my hair and I'm just gonna straighten my roots a little bit. For me, this is a very important step because this is what keeps my hair more smooth. If I don't straighten my roots, I guess it does take away a little bit of volume, but I prefer that just because at least it'll look kind of smooth at the end of the day, you know? So I just straighten my roots a little bit. I focus more on the roots, as you can see, and then smooth everything out. This GHD Chronos is so nice. Most of GHD hair tools have just one heat setting, so this is in the heat setting 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for me. So let me talk to you guys a little bit more about this event. It's with Maylis. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. They sell like body creams and stuff, and they are on TikTok Shop. So they're gonna do like this cool like slumber party event. It's kind of like PJ themed, so I'm gonna wear like the super fancy pajama set that I got from Victoria's Secret. I literally went today right before this, and that's where I got this as well because I really liked it and I think this is so cute for filming. But I literally went today so last minute, like in the morning, because I ordered a set from Amazon that I actually posted on my Instagram, and you guys helped me decide that this was just not it. I don't know, it's cute for like staying home, even like just chilling with your family and stuff, like kind of like a PJ themed party, but just something more chill. I feel like it wasn't fancy enough. I ended up just buying something else, and I did like it, but for an event like that with TikTok, I just felt like it wasn't fancy enough. I don't know. I'd rather go like a little bit, if anything, overdressed and not underdressed, because I've been to a couple events and I noticed that some people do really dress super nice. I just want to try to wear the cutest outfit I can, you know. I'm gonna end up wearing something else. I'll show you guys later once I change and everything. I'm just smoothing out the roots a little bit, and then we're gonna move on to curling my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to curl my hair, but I rather curl it, and then if anything, I'll do my makeup on the way there. But I think I'll have enough time to do my makeup here. So yeah, as you can see, this is a quick step. Okay, so now that my hair is a little bit more straight than before, I did straighten the roots a little bit. I feel like if I had more time, I would probably straighten it just a little tiny bit more, but we do not have time, so we're just gonna do the curls now because I do not want to get there late. So let's do the curls. I'm actually gonna be using the GHD curling iron. This is my first time using this, so super excited. Let's turn it on. It also has one heat setting, 365 degrees Fahrenheit. This has a clamp, which is what I prefer. I like wands as well, but a clamp is always just a lot easier to use. I'm gonna set each curl with a clip, so I'm gonna start with this front section, and this is a 1.25 inch, by the way, so it's not as tight as a 1 inch, but it still gives you pretty tight curls. I haven't tried this iron yet. This is my first time trying it, but I've done 1.25 inch curls before, and they're just a little bit bigger than the 1 inch, but it's not a huge difference either. So I'm curling like away from my face. Okay, so let's see what curl we get. Wow, beautiful and super tight. I think it's a pretty tight curl. So we're gonna just clip it back, and I will let my hair set like this for the entire 2-hour drive to New York. So they will be pretty tight by the time I get there, which is exactly what I'm looking for. This is a must when I go to events, especially if it's a long drive, because when you get there, the curls are literally gonna be almost flat. Setting your curls like this will help them kind of curl better and kind of like set in that same curl in that same position, and it will help you get there with like pretty fresh like curly hair. So it's a must. I always do this. If I don't do this, it's almost like pointless for me to do my hair like this. But I mean, wow, look at that curl. I love it. Do you guys see that? So nice. So I try to clip it up the same direction of the curl. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky, especially on this side. For some reason, it's like harder for me to clip my hair on this side, but it's very important that you set the curl the way that you curled it initially. Because I noticed that sometimes I would try to clip my hair up and do like anchoitas, what we call them in DR, but I was kind of like clipping it in a way that it was like changing the curl pattern. So you don't want to do that either. You want to make sure that you're curling it the right way. Just gonna curl this again because I missed a little section, but I mean, this does feel really, really nice. And I feel like the barrel size works for me. Like I have other ones that are way longer than this one, which are also very nice, but this size is pretty good for me. It grabs all the hair. Look at that. So nice. And it gives you a pretty bouncy curl. I like to bring my thumb up the curl. That kind of helps to clip it the right way. And I'll just let it set there for a little bit. I'm gonna do some curls on this side. So nice. These curls are turning out so nice, guys. Again, just bring the thumb up. I feel like that also helps just to make sure that you're setting it correctly, like the direction of the curl. This part is very important. If you set it the opposite way, you're just literally gonna destroy the curl that you just created. So if you like to curl your hair towards your face, that also gives you like this nice voluminous kind of like 90s look, like Hollywood waves. But this way, like curling away from your face, is nice as well. I like curling away from my face because that way it's kind of like not right on my face, on my hair. So I just prefer away from my face, but you can also curl towards your face if you prefer that. I'm gonna finish curling all my hair and then I'm gonna add some hairspray because that's also a very important step if you want your curls to last all night. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I just set all my hair and I'm gonna add a little bit of this Seltzer Spritz Flexible Hold Hairspray from Drybar. And this is a very nice hairspray because it's not like an extra hold hairspray, like it's not super strong. So once you take your curls down, it's gonna be very easy to kind of like run your fingers through your hair. It's a flexible hold hairspray, so it's definitely gonna give you a lighter hold, but it's still gonna give you some hold, which is what I like. So I'm just adding some of this to my hair. And yeah, now time to do my makeup. I literally have like 10 minutes to do my makeup, so wish me luck. And I'll see you guys probably at the event or in the car. I don't know. We'll just go with the flow and see how this all turns out. Super excited to go to this event. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my makeup now.
What's up?
On our way to New York.
At the right turn.
Makeup ready. I'm gonna take these off when I get there. Picked up my sister. We're on our way. Hey guys, we're at the event and oh my god, this place is insane. Everything looks so good. This is what my hair is looking like so far. The curls did fall a little bit, but they look fine, right? This is my sister Vanessa. Hello. And guys, check this place out. Like, look at this background. How cool. And then, look. They have food over there. I just had a cocktail. I actually still have mine here. But oh my god, I am feeling this look. So cool. Anyways, let's go and have some fun and meet some creators. Look at this view, guys. Like what? We're in the 57th floor. We get all the nice views from up here. Reunited with my babe. We're heading back home.